Well, it's harvest time for some of our mushrooms. Here's our second batch of King Oysters off that one. Just grown in straw. Over here, have a look at that. Our golden Enoki haven't flattened out yet, so it's ideal time to pick them. And they are going great guns. We've got our Shiitake. There's a few here, like this fella, and this one, which are ready to pick. But we'll leave a couple of these for later. But lots of them growing around that block. We come up to our chestnut. And importantly, because we love this one, lion's mane with a slight pink tinge for some reason. We've got a couple growing out there, so I better move that bag. This one's almost ready. You can see all the mycelium on top. That is brown beech. Not quite ready to pin just yet, but getting close. So let's harvest. So to harvest the King Oysters, we just give it a twist and we lift them off. These ones a twist. And we'll clean those up. Oh, that's a nice meaty one. Because on the King Oysters, probably the nicest bit is actually the stem, unlike a lot of other mushrooms. So hit those ones off. Oh, here's a beauty. And we'll give that, as I said, we'll give these a bit of a trim and clean them up. Now, the Shiitakes, again, like the King Oyster, we just give it a little twist and pull them out. And isn't that a beauty? Not going to take too many of these, just a few. Give them a twist. And I think we'll leave the rest for now. Let them get a little bit bigger. Nice and damp. And here we go. My first attempt at the Enoki, and I'm told we cut them off close to the base. So let's go in and we'll... There we go. Enoki mushrooms. Got a fair few small ones growing up the side here. So I've opened it up. There we go. A fair few fell off there. They come off fairly easy. Might even just try picking them. See if they, yeah, they come off just as easily that way. And we'll leave the others to grow a little bit more. And from there we can see we've got the next lot growing, and hopefully we'll get another harvest from. So that's today's harvest. Quite a different selection. We shall have them for dinner. Enjoy life, and I'll catch you in the garden.